Okay, welcome back again. In our previous class, we treated elimination method in simultaneous equation. Today, we are going to be looking at the substitution method. Please, if you are yet to grab the elimination method, just kindly scroll back, check back our class. We've done the elimination method. Now, let's look at the substitution method. Substitution means replacing with another thing. That is the meaning, like we are substituting something with another. So that is the meaning of what? Substitution. Now, if you look at this equation, this is equation 1, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now let's go. We need to start from one of the equation in substitution method. Look at this thing now. If you look at this equation in equation 1, they both of them, x and y, they have a coefficient. But if you look at equation 2, only y does not have a coefficient. So we can easily pick this one that does not have a coefficient. This one will be easier for us to operate on. So let's pick, we'll now say from equation 2. From equation 2, which is 2x plus y equal to 2. So let's make y subject of formula. That is to say, this 2x will come to this side. We'll now say y is equal to 2. When plus equal to become what? Minus. So we'll now call this one equation 3. Now, the next thing we do, we put this equation 3. We have already used equation 2. So now we put this equation 3 into equation 1. So that is to say, anywhere we see y is already 2 minus 2x. Anywhere we see y in equation 1, we replace it with this one. That is the meaning of the substitution. So we are going to substitute 2 minus 2x in place of y in this place. So we'll now say put y, which is equal to 2 minus 2x, into equation 1. So this is equation 1. 2x plus 3y equal to 10. So anywhere we see y, there is y here. We have 3y here. So anywhere we see y, we replace it with what? 2 minus 2x. Now say 2x plus 3 bracket 2 minus 2x, close the bracket, equal to 10. So let's open the bracket. We now have what? 2x plus 3 times 2 will give me 6. Then 3 times this again will give you minus what? 6s, which is equal to what? 10. So let's collect like 10 now. Number to one side, alphabet to one side. So let's take this one to one side. So now I have 2x minus 6x is equal to 10. When this one goes to this side, we call what? Minus 6. So from here now, when we subtract this now, when we subtract it, we become what? We have what? Minus 4x is equal to 10 minus 6 will give me what? 4. So divide both sides by minus 4. So now say therefore x is equal to what? 4 over minus 4. When you divide it, the answer becomes minus 1. So our x is now minus 1. So the next thing we'll do, we have already looked for x. We have not looked for y. So the next thing we'll do now, let's, in place of this x now, we have used equation 1, we have used equation 2, but we have not used equation 3. So let's replace, anywhere we see x in equation 3, we'll replace it with what? Minus 1. So we'll now say put x, which is equal to minus 1, into equation 3. This is the equation 3 that we have here. Y equal to 2 minus 2x. Now look at it. X is equal to minus 1. Anywhere we see x in this equation, we replace it. We are going to substitute it with what? Minus 1. So we now say y is equal to 2 minus bracket minus 2 bracket minus 1. So you see that we have replaced the x with the minus 1. So let's open the bracket now. Now I've got 2. Minus times minus will give me plus. 2 times 1 will give me what? 2. So 2 plus 2. Therefore, now say y is equal to what? 4. Now say therefore x is equal to minus 1, while y is equal to what? 4. This is the answer. Like I said in our previous class during elimination method, we can also check. We can also check if the answer is correct by putting this x, which is minus 1, and y, which is 4, into any of the equation. If you put it, you check. Now, let's assume, okay, let me check now to check our answer. Let's say check, to check our answer. To check our answer now, I'm taking this equation 2x plus y equal to 2. So x is minus 1. I'll say 2 bracket minus 1 plus y is what? 4 plus 4 equal to 2. 2 times minus 1 will give me y minus 2 plus 4 equal to 2. Minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 is just like when we say minus 2 plus 4, we can also rewrite it like this as 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give me what? 2. You see that our answer is correct. So everything we got here, they are all correct. In case you are just joining us in this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you really actually enjoy this lesson, strike that like button.